Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here and click on sound and vibration. Here you can control. This is media sound controlling. Just if you move to the left side, sound will be decreasing. If you move to the right side, sound will be increasing. And then here ringtone. Just you can reduce ringtone by moving it to the left side. If you move towards the right side, ringtone will be increased. Similarly, for notifications, you can move to the left side for decreasing notification sound. You can move to the right side for increasing notification sound. Then for alarm, this similar way you can follow. Also you can use side key, left side key. If you press left side upper key, then it will increase the sound. If you press the bottom one, then it will reduce the sound. See here, this is to increase media sound. Increase, now decrease. In this way you can easily control ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.